Open elective project management important questions of module 1. Define a project, explain the characteristics of a project with examples. What are the different types of project? Explain with suitable example. Explain the scalability of project tools with example. List and explain various project rules and their responsibilities. Explain the phases of project life cycle curve. Explain the strategic planning process in the context of project selection. What are the different methods used for project selection? Explain financial and scoring models. What is portfolio alignment? How it is used in identifying and selecting project? Explain how projects are prioritized. Mention the key factors affecting prioritization. Module 2. Define project scope. Explain the steps involved in defining the project scope. What is a project scope checklist? Discuss its components with example. What are project priorities? Explain how they are set and why they are important. Define work breakdown structure. Explain the process of developing a work breakdown structure. How is work breakdown structure integrated with an organization? Explain with a neat diagram. What is coding the WBS? How is it used in project information system? Explain the purpose of project schedule. Describe the process of developing a project schedule. What is Gantt chart? Explain its role in project scheduling with an example. Module 3. What abilities are needed when resourcing project? Explain with example. Explain the process of estimating resource needs and creating a staffing management plan. What are the common issues in project team compositions? How can they are resolved? Define cost planning, cost estimating and cost budgeting, how they interrelated. Explain the steps involved in establishing cost control for a project. What are the steps in risk management planning? Explain risk identification and risk analysis. What is a project quality management plan? Describe key quality planning tools. What is a project kick-off meeting? Explain the importance of setting a baseline and communicating the project management plan. Module 4 briefly discuss the project partnering, collaboration, and its parameters. Write a short note on balanced scorecard and termination. Explain the basic components of supply chain management. What is a project supply chain management? Explain the key activities involved. Explain the process of planning, purchases, and acquisition in project supply chain management. What are the different types of contracts used in project procurement? Explain its components. What is the balanced scorecard approach? Project performance measurement. Explain its components. Discuss internal project issues, customer issues, and financial issues in project performance. And explain the process of finishing a project time and securing customer feedback. Module 5 discuss the rules in constructing network and calculate the variance for each activity for a given diagram. Differentiate between CPM and PERT and determine the critical path for the above data. Explain the rules for network construction. What is Fulkerson rule for numbering events? What is the CPM critical path method? Explain how to calculate expected completion time and floats. Define float. Explain different types of floats with example. What is PERT? How is the expected duration of an activity calculated using PERT? What is project crashing? Explain the procedure to crash a simple project with an example. E module ಅಲ್ಲಿ fifth module total 3 kinds of problem ಬರುತ್ತೆ based on CPM, PERT and project crashing.